I'm going to speak about my recent art exhibition experience. That means I have participated in an exhibition recently, right? So whenever I do these kind of exhibitions, the first question I get is, how many paintings did you sell, or did you sell something? How much did you earn? Like this. And very few people ask about the experience of the exhibition. So let me answer all these questions for you in this video. See, like here in this Mazda Art Festival, whatever has happened, more than 200 artists has participated. So that means I think it is over 300 or 400 artworks was exhibited. So each artist can exhibit only up to 3 artworks. So even I have exhibited only 3 artworks. See, out of this 300 or 400 artworks, whatever was exhibited, in my knowledge, 3 paintings got sold immediately, and there were many inquiries. These inquiries can get into sales slowly, but I am not sure about it. Then out of these many artworks, if only few of them are getting sold, why do even participate in this kind of exhibition by investing so much in the participation fees, or yeah, the traveling expenses would be there. If you want to courier your artwork, that expenses also will be there, right? So altogether it is so much expense. Even if you get to sell 1 or 2 artworks also, there will not be much profit, right? But then why do people go and exhibit their works? So here, these art exhibitions are not just for you to sell your work or make money immediately, but these can serve you as your future investment. That means see, you get to see so many artists, especially the senior artists, master artists. You get to learn so much from their experience. And see, whenever you are painting alone, if none of you are there in your circle, you are the big artist in your place, right? But until unless you go and exhibit your work in a galleries like this, you will never get an experience of where your art will stand in the market. You will not know how to present your artwork in a good way, even though your painting is good, right? So for getting these kind of experiences, also building connection with other artists or other art collectors, so that they can serve you as your future collaborators or partners. These galleries or exhibitions will play very important role. So for me, I have met so many of my Instagram followers, as well as so many of my students and future students as well. So what I have experienced is, so whenever I go and meet people physically like this, then there is more trust level. And if they were thinking to join my classes from so long, after they meet me once, they'll definitely join my classes after that meeting. So this is kind of trust buildings. Like there are still few people who feel more connected, and they trust you only if they know you and meet you in real life, right? So like this, these kind of exhibitions or art galleries will help you in so many different ways, not just in terms of selling artworks. And yeah, I have got very good opportunity after this exhibition, which I am going to share in some time, like once this everything is settled. And I am doing podcast with many other people whom I have met during these exhibitions. So all these were really great opportunities, and there was good media coverage as well. So like this, you will get many other benefits rather than just selling your paintings. I hope I have answered most of your questions. Yeah, right now I have very less time. Let me meet you in the next live. Thank you, guys.